In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail signature template, a task you can comfortably accomplish in just about 5 minutes. Our aim is to add a touch of professionalism and personal branding to every email you send out without the need to manually type your sign-off and contact information every time. Let's dive in. First things first, navigate to your Gmail inbox. It's the place where all your email interactions begin and end. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon, a universally recognized symbol for settings. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. After clicking on the settings gear icon, a menu will appear, providing several options. Our focus is on the See All Settings button. This button acts as a portal to a comprehensive list of settings that Gmail offers, allowing you to tweak your account to your liking. Now, within the plethora of options available in the settings, we're particularly interested in the signature section. Here you'll find a button labelled Create New. It's pretty self-explanatory. Click this and you're one step closer to achieving your goal. A small pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your new signature. This is where creativity can kick in, but remember, simplicity often reigns supreme. Name your signature in a way that will make it easy for you to identify later on, especially if you're planning to create different signatures for various purposes. Once you've named your signature, click on Create. This action will generate a fresh blank canvas in the signature settings area where the real creativity begins. This is where you type in the text that you'd like to appear at the bottom of your emails automatically. Most people opt to include their full name, job title, and contact information. But what really makes a signature stand out is personal flair. Consider adding an image, perhaps your company's logo or a professional headshot, to give your signature that extra punch of personality and professionalism. After you've designed your signature to your liking, by typing in your information and possibly adding an image, scroll down and you'll find a Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This is crucial. Clicking Save Changes ensures that all the effort you've just put into creating your signature isn't lost. It's like sealing the deal on your personal or professional branding endeavor. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail signature template that will appear at the bottom of every email you send, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your communication. Remember, your email signature is often seen as a reflection of your professionalism. Make it count. Before wrapping up, a quick tip. Feel free to come back to the signature settings anytime to tweak your signature. Whether it's a job title update, a new phone number, or simply a change in aesthetics, keeping your signature up to date is just a few clicks away. Creating a custom Gmail signature is one of those small tasks that can have a big impact on your professional image. It's easy, efficient, and adds a layer of polish to every email you send. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and encourages you to make the most of your Gmail account. Happy emailing!